back in 2021. If we go off the high to the bear market low, our first projected hit was $40.29. All right, we went above that a little bit up to about 45 and some change. Okay, now we're getting a little bit of a consolidation going on here. All right, we're going to take a look at this chart here in a second and see where this thing could be headed. First off, I do want to show you a couple things here. Okay, Bitcoin. This thing has just been crazy. All right, now this morning we were looking at getting into a Caspa long once it hit the 618. Well, Bitcoin decided to start pulling down. All right, pulled Caspa down to the 786 and then it bounced back up here. All right, the 786, I was down about $500 in my trade, and thank God I stuck it out. It ended up pulling me back up into profit there, but was not expecting that. Okay, we've had a fake out to the downside, fake out to the upside, another fake out to the downside, and now we're back inside this wedge again. All right, some things I find interesting with Bitcoin if you zoom in on this thing. All right, usually a ABC, a B will come in at the 618. Okay, we're right around that 618 level. If we don't take that out, all right, I would say 52,300 would get us cleared up out of here. Then that would take that ABC out. If not, okay, you could be looking at an A, a B, and a C right down here to about 50,000 bucks, which lines right up with the daily support area. You see this support right here, these closing candles. That's a very good support area. So we'll see what happens if it does pull down there. Not a major, massive pullback, of course, but it would end up being, from here, roughly a 4%. That's nothing. That's absolutely nothing for Bitcoin. I mean, geez, in bull runs, we get 30, 40% pullbacks. That's normal in a bull run. Okay, I don't think we're in a full-fledged bull run yet. I think we're at the beginnings of it. You can see that 702 fib level is right up here, right where you see that white dotted line. That's the 702 Fibonacci level. All right, just about nailed it today. We'll see what happens. All right, it could push up a little bit higher. That 702 is roughly at, I believe it's what is it, 53,051. All right, today we went up to 53,015. All right, getting very close to it. Just expecting some kind of reaction there. Okay, whether it be a knockback, who knows? Maybe it blows right through it. We'll see. Okay, we still have the weekly RSI on Bitcoin heading up, still bullish. Got bearish divergence though on it. We got this high and a lower high, and on price we had this high and a higher high on price. Okay, you can see right here. That was this high, and then we had a higher high on price. So a little bit of bearish divergence on that weekly. The monthly is at a 100 and a 100. The daily is bearish at an 82 and an 86. The 12 hours still bearish at a 7 and a 12. And you got your 8 hour is bullish at an 8 and a 5. Okay, it is about reset here, and you can see it is starting to make a move here now. Okay, so might take out that ABC pattern we've been talking about. It's still only at 52,173, so still gonna have to get a little bit higher than that. All right, like I said, that 618 level, it's right at it right now. So either it's gonna get through it or it's going to get rejected. Gonna have to keep an eye on that. It's trying to push through it here. All right, if we come over here and take a look at the crypto bubbles real quick, that's for the month. Man, oh man. But wait till a bull run, guys. If this is your first bull run, this will be weekly numbers. Believe it or not, I've been through it. I've been through a bull run. I've seen numbers like this for a week. Okay, the last hour, I got some stuff popping green. And then for the day, we got some red out there. Got a lot of daily RSIs getting way overextended. Over on CoinGlass, 24-hour liquidations, 279.7 million. That's up 94.4% from yesterday. Open interest is at 50.3 billion. That's down 2% from yesterday. And the 24-hour volume for the whole crypto market, 173.1 billion. That's up 42.84%. We have 50.08% longs in the market and 49.92% shorts. All right, now let's go over to Injective here. All right, you can see that 1618 target was $40.29. We ended up going over that. All right, let's get this off here for now. You can see consolidation. Look at this, going sideways right in between these two bright yellow marks here, going sideways in here. Okay, I don't see a lot of discrepancies in here. I don't see any real ABC patterns, possibly right here in ABC, but nothing major. All right, now if we look at the RSIs over here, the 4-hour still bearish at a 14 and a 15, the 8-hour pulling down a 30 and a 42, 12-hour bearish 52 and a 66. And you got your dailies bearish at a 77 and an 85. Of course, here's the big ones. The weekly is just turning up at a 13 and a 10. Just turning up. And you got your monthly 93 and a 96. It's actually bearish. Now that weekly just turning up here, is that going to get us higher, these higher targets? Possibly. The next target up here, after we get moving again, is up at $65.35. That could be the next area we're heading to after we get this correction taken care of. Now, in the meantime, where could we get a pullback to? Okay, with these pulling down, if it loses this support here, I would expect to pull down. Let's go on a daily, back down to a 618 fib level. All right, which would bring it down right down here, right around $26.15. Okay, right now we are at 36.68. If we pull down to the 618, I would expect a massive bounce from there. Okay, could pull down to 702 also, 23.57. But if we do get this pull down here, got all this zigzagging going on in here, get a pull down to the 618, and then we're out of here. I would expect it to start working on the next leg up. But right now, Injective is just going sideways. Keep an eye on that 29.40. If we lose it, it's coming down to 26.15, possibly 23.57. All right, we got a lot of the RSIs oversold and pushing down. So nothing abnormal, just a normal correction. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. We have 90 members now. $14.99 gets you into our Discord, where we've been killing it with trades. A bunch of people hit over 100% on the Mybro trade yesterday. Get you 9 hours of videos, 20 plus videos to teach you how to do this stuff. All right, the Discord's been killing it. That's where the money's at. Get over there and start making some money with us. You'll make your $15 back in no time. All right, have a great day, everybody.